I heard about a motivational speaker from Oklahoma City named Mallory Avalon. She has a young son named Gracen who had a terrible habit cough. No matter what she did, no matter what doctor she saw, it just wouldn't stop. At her wit's end, she heard about habitcough.com and the fine work of Dr. Weinberger. That night was Gracen's graduation from 6th grade. He didn't want to be with his class because he was upset and thought that he would distract everyone else's great time. His mom took the situation into her own hands. She drove across town calling her husband and said, "You have to film this. I know what to do." Following Dr. Weinberger's expert advice, parents around the world are finding new variations on how to apply the Weinberger procedure with the most astounding outcomes. This is Gracen's story about being immediately cured by the Weinberger procedure by his mom.
I'm strong and can control anything that you tell your body to do or not to do. It's up to you to stop this. You're doing an amazing job. You're doing great. Got a very strong mind, and it's in control right now. You're doing awesome. You're at 2 minutes. Let's see if we can beat your 3-minute record. Yeah, that's okay. We're going to break it. Your mind is in control
Daddy, come here.
over the need to cough.
1 second.
It's just the carrots.
I'm really proud of you. You're doing a really great job, Gracen. You stay in control. God gave you a strong mind in order to handle your body. We can form habits and we can break habits. And you're working really hard right now to break one, and I'm really proud.
Gracen successfully cured his habit cough. He was able to attend his grade 6 graduation that night. He shortly achieved 0 coughs. When he had a new and unassociated habit cough months later, Gracen was able to cure it. He and Mom knows how to cure any habit coughs in the future for all of her children.